welcome to my channel, Meylaxing, where I show you guys how to incorporate fun into your skincare routine. I'm actually really excited about this video. Today we're actually going to do a review on this amazing mask from the company and brand Summer Fridays, and the mask is called R&R mask. And then at the end it has mask/masking, but it's actually mask, but you know what, yeah. If you guys aren't familiar with this brand, this line basically is vegan. It has no synthetic dyes or fragrance, and it is cruelty free, so it is not tested on animals, which is great. The whole world should be like this, you know what I'm saying? Not for nothing, I have been obsessed with this skincare line. Literally scrolling on Instagram, doing my research on what products they have, especially on Instagram. You know when all of those promotions always come up? Yup, I would always see that promotion on my feed. And guess who clicked it? Me. I just received this mask and bought it at my nearest Sephora. I felt like when I grabbed that mask, I felt like I was grabbing gold. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I was so excited to use this. Crazy. This is what it looks like. This is the Summer Fridays packaging. It has a nice, simple packaging. And you see? Mask, masque. Okay, but we all know that says mask. So I am a sucker for simple packaging like this. It's really, really nice. Alright, so then let's see what it says on the packaging. So in the front it does say R&R mask, masque, you know. And then below that it does mention glow. So I'm thinking this mask basically gives you a radiance when it comes to your skin. The ingredients, what they basically specialize in is the vitamin C, of course, to leave that glow on your skin, to make it look brighter and nice. Here is some sesame seed oil, argan kernel oil, avocado oil is in there too, and vitamin E. Vitamin E is super good, very moisturizing. Safflower seed oil as well, and all natural fragrance, and they decided to put that on the packaging, you already know. It also says the usage, how to put it on. On dry, cleansed skin, apply to face, neck, and décolletage. Gently massage, avoiding eye area, leave for 10 minutes, and remove with damp washcloth. And pat remaining oils onto skin for a nourishing glow. A glow. So then this one will leave you with a radiance at the end. I did wash my face right now, so basically we are going to apply it. So then let's just open up this little box. Alright, so then it does come with the manual, you know. Let's just show off the whole thing, show off the whole world, you know, like little packaging, little pamphlet. Okay, set that onto the side. What's next? Look at this packaging. It makes me want to faint. There we go. This is basically what it looks like. Yeah, this is amazing. Already, I didn't even put it on, guys. Just put this on your hair, do not laugh. On dry, cleansed skin, apply to face, neck, and décolletage. But for today, we're just gonna put it on the face. Place it on your hand. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. That looks like pure heaven on my hand right now. It looks like a mixture of flower petals with just greatness. I cannot. Alright, so then right now we're going to put it on. Just apply it all over the face. It smells like flowers, guys. So it's basically looking like this. See the little flower petal specks? Apply all over the face. Okay. So then basically it does say to gently massage. So then whenever you do massage your face, just massage it upward motions. Then it does say to leave on for 10 minutes. So then we're going to do that. Now we leave. So after you've left it on for 10 minutes, it does say to remove the mask with a damp towel. Oh my gosh. So basically at the end of this mask, it leaves you with a glow. Do you guys see that? Glistening. It leaves your skin feeling super soft and silky. So it feels great. Let me know in the comments below if you guys plan on using this facial mask or if you guys have already used it. I actually would like to know and I want to see how it worked for you guys. I hope you guys liked this video or found it helpful in any way. Tune in for more skincare tips and tricks on my channel, and also do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys!